Hello? Hello? Hello?
Can I have this one? So let's see whether they can sort it out there. Just hold on. Is the witness there? Can we stand down? Can we stand down? The witness coming. That's what I'm saying. We don't know. Wait. She's coming. Can we stand down? If you're sure. Till when she comes. So I can't stand there.
Akpan, there is no point standing down in case if the witness is not likely to show up, or maybe the counsel is not going to be available. You said what?
So number NICN/LA/3 2014 between Anaba, Nameka, and Union Bank of Nigeria PLC. My lord, the matter is mentioned.
Who is the counsel?
Any counsel in court, please. My lord, it seems there is no counsel.
All right, move on to the next case.
So number NICN/LA/329/2014 between Olusegun Meise and One Global Creative Consults and Esco Energy Vision Nigeria Limited.
Yes, counsel.
Any appearance, please. Yes, counsel. Those that are formation is supposed to appear online. It is so I don't know whether some of them are being online. Oh, this thing.
If they are not ready, let's move on. Let's move on our trials. The other court will
suit
be
number
also to join.
NICN/LA of Gwandu. Yes, my lord, I'm ready. And global software and digital solutions. My lord, we are doing number 3. Mr. Obina of Gwandu and Global Software and Digital Solutions Limited. Any others?
Yes. Because be pleased. I am AE Anyobanjo. May God be pleased. I am AE Anyobanjo.
Yes, Anyobanjo. Hello?
I humbly appear for the claimant, my lord.
Hello?
My lord, I appear
All
for the
right.
claimant.
Hello, my lord.
Yes, do it on the other side.
Yeah. It seems there is no representative, my lord.
All right. Yes, counsel, what can you tell me?
My lord, the matter is for mention,
Mm-hmm.
and parties
Have
have
they responded
exchanged
to your
pleading.
originating process?
Yes, my
Okay.
lord. And we have also filed our reply to their defense.
Okay.
However, my lord, it seems they have an application to regularize their process.
Well, since they are not here, let's leave it. As the next day they can move it. You can't move the application.
As the court pleases. In the circumstance, my lord, will take a date.
Fair enough. Akpan. Akpan.
Yes, my lord.
Give them a hearing date. A
Yes, my
date for
lord.
hearing. Give them a date for hearing and send the notice to the defendants and their counsel.
Yes, my lord.
We are very grateful, my lord.
Okay.
Right. Just for claimants. Is it for trial or June 24?
It's for trial. It's for trial.
Convenient.
June 24 for trial, my lord.
It's for trial.
Yes, my lord.
24th of June, ba? Hello?
24th of June, my lord.
All right, fair enough. This matter is adjourned to the 24th day of June for a
Hello, my
trial.
lord. 24th of June.
Yes. This matter is adjourned to the 24th day of June for a trial hearing. The the defendants are to be put on notice. Yes. Call the next case.
Ascot places.
Mm-hmm.
2026 between Financial Derivatives Company Limited and Mr. Clement Izuchukwu. Miller parties are absent.
All right. Any counsel?
Yes, my lord. May my lord be pleased.
Mhm.
Mohammed Adediji.
Muhammad
My
Adediji.
yes, my lord. My
Okay.
appearance is for the claimant applicant.
All right.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
My
counsel.
lord,
Who
not
is for the defendant?
is for mention.
Yeah.
Okay.
The matter is for mention. We have been unable to serve pendants with the originating process. We have an application to serve him by substitute means, and if it pleases your lordship, we are ready to move the application.
Move your application on terms.
I'm most grateful, my lord. My lord, the application our application is dated the 9th day of April 2026 and filed on the 10th day of April 2026.
Mhm.
We move in terms of the said application and urge your lordship to humbly grant the application as prayed.
Okay, this application is hereby granted as prayed.
As
As
God
God
pleases.
places.
Lord, we're most grateful.
Mhm.
Service.
Yes. Akpan.
Yes, my lord, 21st of May.
Then the 4th of May.
May 21. Yeah,
Okay.
21, my lord.
Okay, for further mention.
Okay, my lord, it's not convenient.
What's the June?
Okay.
June 3rd. But, second or third.
This for the
Service. Okay, she will not be around. Okay. My lord, you are doing June 2nd, my lord. For report of service.
Okay.
Third.
Is that all right?
June 3rd, my lord.
All right. Matter adjourned to the 3rd day of June 2026 for hearing of a report of service. Yes.
For report of service.
Yes. I further order hearing notice of the.
I'm grateful, my lord.
Yes, it's all right. Next case.
Yes, my lord. So number NICN/LA/30/2026 between Mr. Bella Oloduni and one Capista Holding Limited and Adeboye Farms Limited. Below parties are absent. Any appearance?
Right.
The claimant is here, my lord.
Follow me.
The claimant is here, my lord.
Okay.
The claimant is here, my lord.
I have heard you. Yes, counsel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, with profound respect to this honorable court. My name is Adeni Adirogba. My lord, my humble
Okay.
appearance before Adeni Adirogba. My lord, as shown on the screen. My humble appearance is for the claimant.
It's all right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, counsel. Who is for the defendant? Anybody for the defendant? Yes, Mr. Aderogba.
Yes, thank you, my lord. My lord, this matter first came up before your lordship on the 25th day of March, 2025. My lord, at the proceedings of that day, a counsel appeared for the defendant, if I remember, UAZ, if my memory serves me right. My lord, at the proceedings, I informed your lordship that the defendants were already over a month out of time, and I urged your lordship then to give us a date for trial. But the counsel pleaded with the court that their firm had just been briefed and that they needed to file their defense. Your lordship gracefully indulged them. Surprisingly, sir, it's almost a month now that the last proceedings took place. My lord, as I speak now, we have not been served with any defense, not even memorandum of appearance filed by the defendants. My lord, by the rules of these honorable courts, Order 9 Rule 1 says that a defendant served with an originating process should file its response within 14 days of being served. And Order 15 Rule 1, sir, says that statement of defense should be filed within 14 days. My lord, your lordship's record would show that the defendants in this matter were served on the 10th day of February 2026, sir, which means that they had till 24th day of February, sir, 24th day of February 2026 to file their response to our originating process. My lord, till now, my understanding is that they have not filed anything. And rules of court, my lord, the law is settled. The rules of court are meant to be obeyed. They are not meant for the fun of it. Your Lordship granted them an indulgence at the last proceedings, but they failed to take advantage of the indulgence. And my Lord, the law is settled that court cannot wait for litigants. So on that basis, sir, I most respectfully urge your Lordship to give us a trial date, in fact, a very short date for trial. My Lord, the claimant is ready to proceed with the matter. As a matter of fact, my Lord, to demonstrate the willingness of the claimant to proceed with this matter as quickly as possible, he had to fly all the way from the United Kingdom to Nigeria for purposes of this matter. But clearly, the defendants are bent on frustrating the claimant. They are bent on frustrating even this honorable court, and that's why they have refused to file, and they have refused to also they have refused to show up in court this morning, sir. So on that basis, I urge your Lordship to give us a very short date for trial. My Lord, we will not take your Lordship's time. The claimant's case is very straightforward. We will prove the claimant's case within the shortest possible time, sir. My Lord, thank you, sir.
I've had you.
Thank you, sir.
My Lord,
I've had
may
you.
I please-
Yes,
Lordship, my Lord.
yes.
Yes, my Lord. Can I know the number on the list?
You don't know the matter you came for.
Yes, my number is number 6. I'm number 6 on the list, my Lord.
Akpan, can you please come to my aid?
Currently
What
on
is
number
happening?
6, my Lord, we are currently on number 6.
So
Bona
I,
have you started with this?
My Lord, may I please your Lordship? My name is PC Uzoma. I
your name
sincerely
is
apologize. PC Uzoma, PC Uzoma.
okay. Please, yes, what can I do for you?
My humble appearance for the defendant, my Lord. My Lord, our firm just moved to a permanent site, and then the process of settling in and retrieving relevant document has caused a slight delay in us filing our defense, my Lord. However, our defense is ready, my Lord, and we respectfully urge your Lordship to grant us an adjournment within which we'll be able to file our defense and regularize them, my Lord.
Okay, what will happen is this.
The
Since you said
defendant is
that your
aware.
defense is ready, wait. Since
Yes,
you say
yes,
your
my Lord.
defense is ready, I want you to
Yes, my Lord.
file and serve them. You understand? You
Okay.
pay the necessary fees for filing out
Yes, my
of
Lord.
time,
Yes, my
but
Lord.
I'm going to give a date for the claimant to for us to hear their case, and then by that time, I suppose your defense will be in, and then we'll take
Yes,
it
my
up
Lord.
from there.
Yes, my Lord.
That's
Because
a
you can see
compliment.
the claimant does not live in Nigeria,
Yes, my
and
Lord.
since he happens to be around, I think we better make the best use of it. I could give you a very short date so that we can accommodate him, so that
I'm
we can
grateful.
hear this matter.
I'm grateful, my Lord.
Yes,
I'm
while
most
the
grateful.
defense do their thing. Yes. Akwan, are you there? Akwan.
Hello, my lord. Hello. Hello, my lord.
Hello, Akwan. Where have you been?
I'm around. The network is disturbed.
All right. Give us a date for trial. A short date, please.
My lord, to be
Why
on
the
to be in June.
in June?
25, yes, my lord. 25th of
Mr.
June.
Adelogba, is that convenient?
My lord, 25th is convenient.
My lord, where the date is convenient, the only constraint I have is that my client will not be in Nigeria to that time. But I mean, I can file an
Don't worry,
application
we'll hear you virtually.
for a lawsuit as accomplices. As accomplices.
Mm,
As
mm.
accomplices.
All right. Akwan, you said which date?
Yes, my lord, 25th of June.
All right, may God spare our lives beyond that.
Amen.
This matter is adjourned to the 25th day of June 2026 for a hearing. The defendants are ordered to file their witnesses, their evidence for defense and serve the other party. Yes, and then they can proceed with their defense.
As
As
accomplices.
accomplice.
Stop.
We are
All
most
right.
grateful, my lord.
Thank you, my
All
lord.
right. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Have a nice day.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes. Very well then. Akpan, what's the next case?
Yes, my lord. My lord, we are going to the last matter previously pinned down. So number NICN/LA/747/2016 between Mrs. Adesuwa Ezenwa and First Bank of Nigeria Limited. Are parties in court? My lord, defendant represented.
All right. Any counsel, the claimant and the defendant?
Yes, my lord. They are around.
Okay. Counsel of the claimant, speak to me.
Yes, my lord.
Who? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Hello?
Hello, my lord.
Yes?
You say Paul Oko from
My lord, my name is Paul.
I can't hear him.
My lord, my name is Paul Oko.
Uh-huh.
My lord, my appearance is for the claimant.
All right.
Yes, may please, my lord. Paulade Obafemi.
Uh-huh. Who?
Paulade Obafemi.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Obafemi.
Yeah, thank you, my lord. I appear for the defendant. And appearing with
Okay.
me is Modupe Koku Mrs.
All right.
Modupe Koku, my lord, will appear for the defendant.
All right.
Yes, my lord. The matter is supposed to be for continuation of trial, in which we are to call our supreme witness. My lord, but
Okay.
unfortunately, the supreme witnesses are not available, my lord.
Why?
In respect to Central Bank, my lord, we're informed that they haven't gotten the documents in which we need.
Uh-huh.
Yes, my lord.
So what do you want me to do for you
So,
today?
my lord will be asking for further dates.
Okay. Have you started your case?
Yes, my lord. We started our case. We haven't done with our witness.
All right. So, Akbar, when can they come back?
June 17th.
Is that convenient?
My lord, no, my lord, it's not convenient for us.
Akbar, please agree with them.
Yeah, my lord, I'm giving you an 18th of June.
It's convenient for us.
My lord, 18th of June.
18th of June. All right, this matter is adjourned to the 18th day of June for continuation of hearing.
That's
That's a copy.
All right. Yes, call the next case, please.
That's it.
Combine item plus LA+131/2025 between Awojobi Abdulateef and One Group 8 Limited and start today at Doto. That the matter is for me.
You said the matter is for what? Hello, Akbar.
Hello, my lord.
Hello. Yes, you said the matter is for what?
It's for mention, my lord.
Okay. Any counsel?
It's supposed to appear online, my lord. It seems there is no counsel.
All right, let's move on to the next case.
Yes, my lord.
You can send this one's a hearing notice on a date convenient to the court.
Yes, my lord. So number NICN/LA/290/2019 between one Mr. Paul Osa and 5 others, and Bronze Positioning and Survey Limited. My lord, the matter is for motion.
The matter is for.
For motion, my lord.
Okay. Yes, counsel.
Apologies, my lord, for the absence of the claimant.
No problem, Mr. John.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
John Nwoku. Nwoku is spelled NWOKW.
Don't always teach me your name. I know how to do it.
Thank you, my lord. I humbly appear for the claimant.
You're welcome. Yes. Who is on the other side?
My lord, I am Temidayo Peter Akeredolu. I announce
How are you?
My lord, it's a pleasure to appear before you once again, sir.
No problem. You're welcome. How is the family?
We are very fine, sir. I appear for the defendant.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yes. Moku.
Yes, my lord. We have a very innocuous application.
Okay.
It's dated the 28th day of March 2025. And with the council of the court, we are ready to move same in absence of any opposition, sir.
What's that application for?
My lord, the application is for the claimant's writ struck out to be relisted. in the court's list.
Okay.
It was meant for trial in 2024, but unfortunately, counsel was absent in court on the date, and eventually the matter was struck out. So we have come humbly before the court, seeking the court indulgence to allow us to come back to the court to enable us to complete the trial in this matter. Thank you, my lord.
Yes, I've heard you.
My lord, sir, the counsel to the claimant has refused to mention that the court had to strike out the matter for want of diligent prosecution following series of adjournments where we were in court and the claimant was not represented or even present by himself in court. And the court was painstaking enough to take about 5 adjournments before striking out the matter. My lord, we are not opposed to relisting the matter. The justice of the matter is the most important. But we will not oppose, but on terms, my lord, because we have moved on from this case and they are actually trying to drag us back into the matter. My lord will be praying the court to grant a cost of 100,000 naira against the claimant and allow them to move the application, sir.
All right. Nwoku.
Yes, my lord. I think the application should be after moving, he will move application for cost. However, my lord, I take responsibility for the inordinate delay. I most humbly take responsibility, sir. The claimant obviously we were trying to clean our house. That was what caused the delay. However, we are not going to wash our dirty limbs in public. I take responsibility, and I know Mr. Akeredolu is my very good friend. I must not deny, even though he asked for cost. We have been very cordial, and I promise to take him for lunch, so we don't need to make the costs in public. I urge the court not to visit the scene of the counsel upon the litigants. I know the court will be very lenient to accommodate us back.
Well, since you have taken responsibility, Mr. Nwoku, you can as well give him the 100,000.
I have offered to give him lunch as a friend. I will take him out.
As court pleases. As court pleases.
Anyway, you guys can go and talk
court.
about it. Just move your motion, John.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, the application is dated the 28th day of March 2025. In absence of opposition, I seek to move in terms of the motion paper.
Motion is granted while I award a cost of 50,000 naira against the claimant in favor of the defendant. So, Akwan, give me a date so that they can come and handle their matter.
We are grateful, my lord.
My lord, we are grateful.
No problem. Akwan. Hello?
Hello, my lord.
Yes, Akwan, give me a date so that they can come and finish this matter once and for all.
Yes, my lord.
June 9.
My lord, I didn't hear that part. Is it for trial, my lord?
Of course not.
Thank you, my lord.
9th of June.
I was offline.
How many witnesses do you have?
I was offline, sir. I didn't get what
We
the
want to
court
adjourn
was.
this matter for trial.
My lord, we have 3. My lord, by what we filed last, we have 3 witnesses.
Yeah, I don't think you need 3 witnesses, but anyway, I'm not going to dictate to you how many witnesses that you need.
Yes, my lord. I will have to review now because In fact, I will have to refresh my memory.
Between now and
been
the
a
next
while.
adjourned date, you can refresh and do whatever you want to do with your witnesses.
As
And then on
copies.
that day, you come with your
My Lord, I
witnesses.
have one witness.
All right, you bring your witness and he'll bring his own. And then
As a
we'll see
copy.
how far we can go.
As a copy, please.
But do we have a date already?
Yes, 9th June.
My Lord, that
June
9th,
9.
9th.
since he said he's having more than one witness, we are looking at 18th of June.
All right.
18th of June. Please let me consult my diary.
18th of June or June.
18th of June is convenient.
All right. Very well then.
June 18
My
is
Lord, will
convenient.
it be, can we be permitted to have virtual, sir?
2 days.
Well, we can have virtual as well as be physically in court.
As copies.
All right.
My Lord, I allow myself to have 2 days, 17 and 18.
Akbar, is that okay?
Mr. Apan, I didn't hear you. Mr. Anwok, I didn't hear you.
I said,
Are you saying 17,
I
sir?
allow myself 17 and 18, 2 days.
Okay, 17 and 18. All right. 17 is well, hopefully it won't be a public holiday.
Of June?
Yes, Al-Ijira, according to my calendar, Al-Ijira is a public holiday in Nigeria.
Call when, please.
Then
17th of June.
Can we shift to 18, 20, 22? 18 and 22?
Let's go with that 18 first. Then after that,
Let's start with 18 and then we'll pick another date from 18. We'll take your case on the 18th and we'll pick a date for my, if I cannot conclude with my witnesses, we'll pick a date to conclude on the 18th.
18th of
Are we taking the 2 days, 18 and 22?
Let's take 18th first. Mr. Apan is suggesting 18th first.
Okay. 18th. 18th is convenient. 18th June.
Yeah. All right. Very well then. This matter is adjourned to the 18th day of June 2026 for trial.
As a court pleases. We are grateful, my Lord.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Have a nice day.
Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you, my Lord.
Next case. Thank you very much. Call the next case, please.
Good number NICN/LA/09/2014 between Mr. Abdurajit Adio and One Main Street Bank PLC and Sky Bank PLC. My Lord, there is an adjournment letter from the defendant. Yes, my Lord.
All right. Is the claimant counsel around?
Yeah, there is a counsel in court.
Okay. He's not online yet?
He's in court. He's trying to speak.
May the court be pleased? I'm Timidayo Olatunde.
Yes, Mr. Olatunde.
Yes, I appear for the defendants in this suit.
All right.
So, my lord, we had filed an application for adjournment. The matter was scheduled to come up for continuation of trial. But unfortunately, we were informed by our witness that there is another matter before the Federal High Court that is equally for continuation of trial. And his appearance was equally needed at that court. And we were compelled to approach the Honorable Court for a short adjournment.
All right. Akwan,
Yes, my lord.
what can you do for them?
June 25.
June 25 is convenient.
Okay, the claimants are not here and the council.
They are not important.
Okay, hearing notice is ordered to be served on the claimant and counsel. This matter is adjourned for hearing on the 25th day of June 2026.
Of the corpus. Your grace, my lord.
Yes, call the next case.
Yes, my lord. So number NICN/LA/645/2018 between Chirera, Oboru, and Glasso Pharmaceutical Nigeria Limited. Lord, the matter is for trial.
All right.
May my noble lord be pleased.
Yes, please.
My name is Olushe Yutaiwo.
Yes.
My appearance is for the defendant in this case, my lord.
Okay. So where is the claimant counsel?
My lord, I don't know whether it's online or in court, but my lord. But yesterday when I tried to put a call across to him, but his number was not available. Similar thing happened on the last day that this matter came up, where the court even awarded the cost of 50,000 again. My lord, they've not been appearing in this matter, and the matter this is like the third time the matter will be coming up for trial, my lord.
Okay, we'll give them one more adjournment and then I will tell you what to do.
As the court pleases. My lord, the circumstance may we, because we intend to, pursuant to the provision of that 38 rule 3 sub rule 1 of the rules of this honorable court, we intend to ask that the courts dismiss this matter. And when they are ready, they can come.
Don't worry, we're going to give you a short adjournment, put them on notice. If they don't turn up, I'll know what to do.
As the court pleases. May we humbly ask for the shortest possible date, my lord.
Akwan, what can you do for us?
30th of June.
30th of June.
30th of June is convenient.
My lord, 30th of June.
All right. Hearing notice is ordered to be served on the claimants and counsel. The proof to be filed. This matter is adjourned to the 30th day of June 2026 for hearing.
As the court pleases.
Yes. Next case, please. Thank you. Next case, please.
That will be all for today, my lord.
Okay, we're done.
Yes, my lord.
Very well then, gentlemen, have a very nice day.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, my lord. Bye.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
And you take good care of your health, ma.
Thank you. You too. You too. You too.